So today I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcuts for playing on Netflix if you're playing it from your computer. And you can do enter or space to press play or pause it. You can do the left arrow to rewind by 10 seconds or the right arrow to fast forward by 10 seconds. And if you hold on either, then you can fast forward quicker. If you do the up arrow, it'll increase the volume, and if you do the down arrow, it'll decrease the volume. If you press the M button, that'll mute it. And if you press the F key, it will full screen. And F will exit full screen too.